So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now, you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you're going to type in SOMGR space /IPK space and now your product key. So you could just copy and paste it by doing Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V, or you could just copy it and then right click right here and then click on edit and then click on paste. You can then paste in your product key. In my case, I don't have one, so I'm just going to type in product key here. So just think of this as my product key and then click on enter. Again, I got this error because my product key is invalid. And now we're going to type in SOMGR space /ATO. Click on enter again and then click on OK. Now there's going to be another 2 commands down below. So if you're trying to do it for the standard edition, then you want to get this one. It's going to be saying standard edition with this DISM command right here. If you want to get it for the Datacenter Edition, it's going to be here as well. These will both be down below in the description. Choose the one that you're trying to get. So let's say that I want to get the Datacenter Edition. I'm going to highlight over this. I'm going to do Ctrl+C to copy it. And then come to CMD. And then do Ctrl+V to paste it. And then click on enter. And then this should now fix your problem.